We'll replace the break statement with the continue statement inside our for loop. Unlike the break statement, the continue statement does not stop the loop when the set condition is met, but actually skips it. Now with the below code, you will have clear understanding what the difference is between the continue and the break statement when they are placed inside the for loop. So in the first line of code, we'll create a for loop, and with the help of the range function, we'll generate 4 values. So 0, 1, 2, and 3 will be generated. Then in the second line of code, we have the if conditional statement. So the if statement will ask Python if I variable will equal to 2. Then in the third line of code, we replaced the break statement with a continue statement. Then in the fourth line of code, we have the print function, and inside the parentheses, we have placed the I variable as an argument. So when our for loop starts, the 0 integer will be placed inside our I variable. It will go to the second line of code, and our if condition will ask Python if I equals to 2. The answer is no, as it currently stores an integer of 0. It will skip the third line of code where continue statement is. It will go directly to the print function where fourth line of code, and an I variable which currently holds an integer of 0 will be printed, so 0 will be displayed on our screen. Our looping continues, so the next integer stored in our I variable will be an integer of 1. It will go to the if statement. The if statement will ask Python if I equals to 2, integer of 2. The answer is no, so it will again skip the continue statement. It will go to the print function, to the fourth line of code, and it will print the I variable, which now holds an integer of 1. So 1 will be displayed on our screen. Then an integer of 2 will be stored in I variable. It will go to the if statement again. The if statement will ask Python if now I equals to 2. The answer is yes. So it will go to the third line of code. The continue statement will be invoked, and unlike the break statement, our code will not stop. The looping will continue, so it will go up again, and an integer of 3 will be stored in I variable. It will go to the if statement. The if statement will ask Python if I equals to 2. It does not. The continue statement will be skipped. It will go directly to the print function, and the print function will display an integer of 3. So that's the difference between break and continue statement in Python when incorporated in the for loop.